Unveiling the Kayak Rack, a simple guide. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. If you've ever been curious about different types of equipment or accessories, particularly those related to outdoor activities, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring a very specific term, kayak rack. So, let's dive in and get a good grip on what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Before we combine the words to understand the phrase, let's look at each word separately. Kayak. A kayak is a type of boat that is typically narrow, with one or more cockpits, and is propelled by a double-bladed paddle. It's used for water activities such as racing, touring, and whitewater navigation. Rack. A rack is a framework or stand where items are stored, displayed, or carried. It's designed to hold objects securely in place, often for easy access or transportation. Now, let's combine the words. A kayak rack is a structure used for storing or transporting kayaks. It's designed to support the kayak's weight and shape, keeping it stable and secure. You can find kayak racks mounted on vehicles for transport, or as storage solutions in homes or docks. To get comfortable with any new phrase, it's helpful to see it in context. Here are a few examples. After a day on the river, we secured our kayaks to the kayak rack on top of the car. I need to install a kayak rack in my garage to store my boats during the off-season. Make sure the kayak rack is firmly attached before we hit the road. And there you have it. Now you know what a kayak rack is and how to use the term in everyday conversation. It's not just about understanding the words, but also about envisioning the object and its use. I hope this has been informative and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll be navigating the language like a pro. Until next time, happy learning!